Hi everyone. So we are actually enjoying our hot tea from Chayos and with nutcracker, which Richa likes a lot. We are actually at Jungfrau, top of Europe. We are at this place. We are inside this place having tea. This is the same place where which has a Bollywood movie Krish 3 got shot. And this is the place where Vivek Oberoi takes the bone marrow of the Rohit. Yeah, this is the same place. I cannot cover it from outside because this entire place will not come. We are inside that having tea.
Oh,
How's the tea?
tea is very nice.
And how's the juice?
Hi, sir. But if you'll go outside in the snow, I think our Josh would become low.
Absolutely yes. We will not be able to utter a single word.
Yeah, so it is, I think, such kind of snow. Like we went to Titlis. First, we went to Mount Pilatus. So we saw the snow for the first time. We were like very happy, okay, snow falling upon us. And then we went to Mount Titlis. It was like snow all over. And we went and have snow sports too. We thought what else would be in Mount Jungfrau, but this is another thing altogether because we are we are waiting here to go outside because it is snowing heavily. So if you just look outside, this is what we have seen in the movies that it's not snow which is falling down. It is
There
actually
is a snowfall, plus the wind is so high that the snow which is on ground, it is just roaming around.
yeah.
The snow from the ground is going up. See, it's just like I've seen in the movie Everest. It's just like that.
So Mayur, we have to get down there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we should be ready to experience the top of Europe. So I think it is rightly said the top of Europe. Like if it wouldn't snow so heavily here in December, then where would it be?
Okay, signing off till we go out. Bye bye.